A wet bench is a special type of fume hood designed to ensure the cleanliness of the samples. It consists of a bench-like table and a perforated top. The air exhausts are at the rear of the bench, below the tabletop. Clean air flows down from the ceiling through the HEPA filters above the tabletops. The airflow is laminar until it runs into an obstacle. In a wet bench, the chemical basins are located so that the upper parts remain below the perforated tabletop. This ensures that the chemical fumes are removed effectively through the air exhaust vents to the rear. Some wet benches have manually filled chemical basins. Each basin has its own intended use and always contains the same solution. You must never use different chemicals in the same basin. The basins are connected to suitable drains. When you start working at the wet bench, activate the wet bench air exhaust with the green switch on the left corner of the wet bench. When you press the switch, a green light is illuminated on the light tower indicating that the bench is ready for use. You can switch the air exhaust back to idling by pressing the yellow switch. The green light in the light tower is turned off and the red light turns on. You must not use the wet bench when the red light is on. When working at a wet bench, do not lean on the table and avoid bending over the wet bench as well. Work as tidily as possible and clean up afterwards. Rinse the tabletops and put the vessels and pieces of equipment in their correct places.